One of, if not the largest concern surrounding robotics is job displacement. But what if, instead of replacing the workers, the robots could simply assist the worker in completing their job in a more effective manner? That's where the Technical University of Munich's collaborative robot makes its mark. At a German construction site, the robot underwent real-world testing during the construction of a climate-optimized wall. This wall features ideal angles for each brick, depending on sun or shade. The design and placement of the wall comes from a digital design configurator, allowing craftsmen to correctly position each brick. The robot's importance is clinical in providing precision where human limitation is reached. Creating a digital twin of the wall, the robot is integrated into the design process, complementing skills of workers rather than replacing them. Utilizing a mobile base, the robot features a gripper to move back and forth as needed. The mobility allowed the robot to reach any point of the wall, spanning about 13 feet tall and 8 feet wide. Future plans for the robot include training in a future-proof way, strengthening design abilities without displacement from new technologies. As for the wall, the robot will continue to specialize in brick, allowing for sustainable construction using monomaterial. This allows for further construction of climate-resistant buildings, all by using calculated formations built from the robot's design configurator.